Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our Figma course. Learning Figma as a developer to gain some confidence. And as a front end developer, we have to get familiar with so many tools, endless tools. Let's go ahead and get started with a few more topics and try to understand a little bit more. All right. So in the last video, we saw that we can change the image opacity, which I don't like. Sometimes I like it. I want to make it feel blackish, a little bit of kind of. I want to hide the opacity, but I want to make it feel a little bit darker. Now I can go to the image. I can decrease the exposure and do like this. This is one way. But I don't want to change the exposure. I want to take a new feel. Oh, so we are allowed to take multiple colors. Yeah, we are allowed to take multiple colors. Now, uh, remember, first we have to select the image, then we have to take a new fill. Once we take the fill, now we will select the very bottom left black colors, and now on the second slider, we can increase and it will be a little bit darker. More. So adjust your preference based on your needs so that you can give a kind of a filter on top of your image. Now, if you want to resize your image, you can do like this, you can do like this, but the best way is click on shift and do like this. And maybe on the center, you want to give your image. So that is what we could. Oh, by the way, we can make it rounded as well. 25, 55, 250. Yeah, we can do it. But what if I want to draw us, what do I say? A circular image. How do I do it? Now you see that we have height and width different. We have to give same height and width so that it become a circular. First of all, let's remove this rounded and try to understand what I'm saying. Let's give it with 500. Oh, no, I have enough charge. 10% is enough for my MacBook. And let's give height as 500 as well. Now you say it's a rectangle with perfect shape. So height and width are absolutely same. Now, if I just give it maybe 100, 100 is very less. Let's give 500. It's a circular image now. So, no, don't do that. So we can draw a circular image. Isn't it interesting? That is. Let me show you one of my image. Um, Place image, documents, maybe this one. This one. Now see, I have this image. Now I want a circular shape. How do I do it? Well, first of all, it's 625, 625. Now give 500. So that is why it comes really handy. So we can use the rounded corners with image as well. What more, Ajman? So many things. Yeah, I know so many things, but let's do a little bit more. Let's do a little bit more.